The ice roll, or handmade ice cream, is an original way to taste ice cream born in Thai street shops and now arriving in our country and other European markets with IceCoBar, turned into a successful business. A new way to taste ice cream that combines the spectacular production with the possibility of having a delicious handmade ice cream with natural products and prepared in front of the consumer. In IceCoBar, we propose more than natural ice creams. We propose a live experience. At IceCoBar, the customer can fully customize their ice cream, choosing fresh ingredients. They are poured onto a cold plate at -20 degrees and mixed with our base Italian ice cream. The show begins and our ice cream masters apply their spatulas, giving the ice cream its famous roll shape. Finally, the client chooses from a wide variety of syrups and natural toppings to give them the final touch of sweetness. At IceCoBar, there are no limits to creativity, and the client lives the experience in every way. The winter months, we combine our offer with spectacular waffles, hot stuffed with bubble flavors, the Waffle Bubble. In addition, our exclusive ice bubble product, a waffle bubble filled with 2 rolls of our rolled ice cream, a top-selling product for its combination of hot and cold and its great appearance that will make your friends react on social networks. IceCoBar is a successful business model tested in the first 10 stores of the network. We operate under the franchise system, and our main income comes from the entrance fee, royalties, and our margins on equipment and consumables that we supply to the franchisee. It is a business without seasonality, for all time slots and for all types of audience. A novel concept that has broken out in the world of hospitality. In addition, the franchisee will have the advantage of enjoying a shop with spectacular design and with exclusive European ice cream equipment of the best quality. IceCoBar currently has 10 stores in Spain, distributed among the Valencian community, Catalonia, Andalusia, the Canary Islands, and the Balearic Islands.